Hello everyone, you welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make afang soup. Kindly watch to the end and like this video so others can see it. I'll be using afang leaf. I've already washed and cut my afang leaf. I'll also be using water leaves, some meat, palm oil, stockfish, crayfish, smoked fish, prawns, dried prawns, snails, scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using salt and bouillon cube. I'll first of all turn my meat into the pressure pot, add some salt and water to cook it till it's tender. To another pot, I'll add my snail and stockfish, add some bouillon cube, some peppers, add water, cover it up and allow it to cook till the stockfish is soft. So while the stockfish is cooking, my snail is already well cooked, so I'll go ahead and remove the snail. Add some more water and cook the stockfish till it's soft. I'll go ahead and cut my water leaf with my food processor. You can also use knife and cutting board if you don't have food processor. So my water leaf is well cut nicely. I'll set it aside. Go ahead and turn in my meat that is well cooked into my stockfish, adding snail, a little palm oil optional, some dry smoked fish. I've already washed my smoked fish, and some crayfish. This afang soup is soup that we use enough palm oil to cook it. That's what gives it that unique Calabar taste of afang soup. So I will allow that to boil together. Go ahead and add my scotch bonnet pepper. I've already blended my scotch bonnet, and I will go ahead and add my water leaves. Some more crayfish and more crayfish and a little palm oil. Adding palm oil at intervals is actually optional. You can also add it just once, probably when adding the water leaves. So I add in my bouillon and go ahead and add my afang leaf. So after cutting the afang leaf, it's important to blend before adding it to the soup. So I'll blend mine and I add in some more crayfish and a little more palm oil. It's important not to stir immediately adding the afang leaf, because some species of afang leaf, once you stir immediately adding, will make the soup bitter. So after adding it, cover it up and allow it to boil for at least 2 minutes or less. Then you go ahead and incorporate it properly. Stir it like this. And my afang soup is ready. If you watch this video to the very end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.